Hi, and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to import, set up, and export proxies, email accounts, and Facebook accounts for use in friendbomber. First, we will learn how to import proxies. To begin, you will need proxies in one of the following formats. Either a text file that contains the IP, port, user, or password, or a text file that contains just the IP and port. Normally, proxies in this format will be bound to the user's IP. Once you have your proxies, log into the friendbomber software with your credentials. When you have logged in, navigate to the IP rotation tab, which is located on the top of the screen. Select Proxies on the row below. Next, locate and select the Import/Export Data button. This is the sixth button down on the left-hand side. Click Import Data to import your proxies. The Data Import wizard will pop up. You can choose to import your proxy list from a text file or select the Import from Excel Workbook option if your proxy list is saved in that format. Select the file type that pertains to you and click Next. Click Select File to locate your proxy list. Locate and open the file, and you should see that the list has opened in friendbomber. Friendbomber will support almost any type of proxy as long as they are imported in the correct format. When you open your proxy file, verify that the proxies are in the correct format. Alternatively, you can simply copy and paste your proxy list into the wizard. Click Next to proceed to the Set Import Template window in the wizard. Here, you will want to match the template based on the file that you've imported in the step before. Depending on your proxy format, you should have one of the following. Click Next to set any additional options that you may require. You can specify the campaign that you would like to import the proxies to. We will create a campaign and call it Campaign 1. You can also label the vendor of the proxies and create a batch number. You can set the priority of how this group of proxies will be used in the software and whether they are HTTP or SOX proxies. Note that setting these options is not required, as the software will automatically validate them, which will allow you to start using them as soon as the proxies are verified. Click Next, and the software will add all of your proxies. Click Finish, and you should see them in the Proxies tab. The software will automatically begin to validate your proxies. Active proxies will turn green as shown here. Once this process is complete, they are ready for use. That is how you can import proxies into the friendbomber software. Now, we'll show you how to import email accounts. To import email accounts, they should be in the following format. Select the Email tab, which is located on the top row, and navigate to the Email Accounts tab on the row below. Locate and select the Import/Export Data button and click Import Data. The Data Import wizard will pop up. Select the appropriate file type and click Next. Import or paste your email accounts. Verify that it is in the email and password format and click Next. Select the correct format for the emails. In this case, it will be email and password. Click Next, and the software will import your email account data. Click Finish, and friendbomber will now automatically validate each email account. Once they are verified, the accounts will turn green. You have now successfully imported your email accounts into friendbomber. Here we will show you how to import Facebook accounts into the software. And we suggest importing Facebook accounts in the following format. Here's an example of a more complex format which will allow you to move accounts around from other tools or programs. Navigate to the Facebook tab, which is located on the top row, and select the Accounts tab in the row below it. Select the Import/Export Data button and click Import Data. In the Data Import wizard, select the file type and click Next. Import or paste your Facebook accounts into the wizard and click Next. In the Set Import Template window, make sure that the template is entered correctly. Enter in the template and click Next to continue. friendbomber is able to automatically import the email accounts that are linked with the Facebook accounts that you are importing. Click the Import Corresponding Email Accounts box to allow friendbomber to do this. Here, you can also specify which campaign that you would like to import the accounts to. You have now successfully imported your Facebook accounts into friendbomber. Now that we know how to import proxies, email accounts, and Facebook accounts into friendbomber, it is time to learn how to export each into a text file. To export email accounts from friendbomber, navigate to the Email tab and click the Email Accounts tab. Select the Export/Import Data button on the left sidebar and click Export Data. You will have the option to export your data in a text file or an Excel workbook. Select the appropriate format and click Next. Here, you can choose the format in which you would like the email accounts to be exported as. For emails, we want to use this format. Click Next to reach the Select File to Save window. You will be able to export all of your emails or only selected emails using the export filter. You can also choose to include the field names into the first row and export the data in either a single file or multiple files. Specify where you would like the file to be saved and click Next. friendbomber has just exported your emails into a text file. Click Finish to leave the wizard. To export Facebook accounts from friendbomber, navigate to the Facebook tab and select the Accounts tab. Select the Export/Import Data button on the left sidebar and click Export Data. Choose the format and template in which you would like your accounts to be saved as. Choose your options and specify where you would like to save the file. Click Next and then Finish when you are done with the wizard. To export proxies from friendbomber, navigate to the IP Rotation tab and select Proxies on the row below. Select the Export/Import Data button on the left sidebar and click Export Data. Choose the format and template in which you would like your proxies to be saved as. Choose your options and specify where you would like to save the file. Click Next and then Finish when you are done with the wizard. Congratulations! You have successfully imported, set up, and exported proxies, email accounts, and Facebook accounts with friendbomber. You are one step closer to automating your Facebook marketing campaigns. This video shows only the basics on how to import, set up, and export proxies, email accounts, and Facebook accounts with friendbomber. If you would like to learn about advanced importing and exporting features of friendbomber, please take a look at our wiki by clicking Help. Import Facebook accounts. Export Facebook accounts.